Hey guys, it's Max here again. So today we're on the 5-star operators levels. We're going to be covering 1.6, changing the bucket. Okay, so changing the bucket nice and safely with the excavator. The very first thing we need to do is making sure that that bucket's up nice and close to us. And we crowd that bucket so it's nice and flat. So when we unlock it, it's not going to fall off. Flicking the quick hitch. Crowd it in towards yourself, give it time for the hydraulics to release, and then you can crowd away from yourself like that. Crowling away from yourself and hooking onto the next bucket. Blend that in, turn off those hydraulics, and again, giving it a minute, being patient, let it do its thing, and doing the drop and drag test, pushing it hard up against the ground and pushing it away and make sure that it's locked in there properly. So I'm crowling it in towards myself. Releasing that quick hitch. Releasing the bucket. Putting on the other bucket. Crowd it back into that same position as we started with. Turning on that quick hitch again. And the very last thing is that drop and drag test. Placing that bucket flat on the ground once you're finished with it, nice and safe.